Good morning, traders. My name is John Paul, DayTradeToWin.com. Today is February 28th, 2014, the last day of February. Let me just change my account here out of Sim. I'm looking for an Atlas line trade. I'm looking to go long or short, depending on what the Atlas line tells me. We're going to see an order on the chart. We're going to hear a bell or doorbell, which I have linked as the sound notification. And from that point on, I'm going to manage the trade. I have a catastrophic stop, which needs to be put in place. I'll explain that. And then I look forward to adding a time-based stop or a prove-it stop. So you have to manage the trade after you enter. So let's see if we get a trade here to now go long, 1857.75. So let me, I want to do a couple more than just one. Let's do 12 contracts. Okay, so going long here.
Order pending.
1857.75. Let me see if I get
Order
filled.
filled.
Okay, so filled here pretty quickly, which is nice. Now I'm not using any type of filtering. All I'm doing is looking for a long trade based on what the Atlas line provides me. So there's no filtering whatsoever. This is just based off the Atlas line indicator. And then right away it's going into the profit target. Now if it doesn't reach the target, which started off at 2 points, now I'm looking at closer to 7 ticks, 0.75. I base that decision off of the current conditions. The current conditions are 1.99 on that ATR, so I know, and I teach this exclusively on how to understand the current conditions. So I'm adjusting my target to 7 ticks, and this catastrophic stop is double that. Let's see what happens here. It looks like I'm going to get it, but the famous last words, looks like, you never want to use as a trader. So it's just about to reach there. Now, I'm not only going to show you how the Atlas line works today, and obviously I'm looking to take profit on this trade, but I also want to explain to you a little something about how markets work. Markets love to test and trade where they have already been. So if you look way up here at 1859 quarter, this is where the market traded up to before it retraced or came back down a little bit. I much rather take a trade, any trade, that is leading me up to test where the market has already been, as opposed to going into what's called uncharted territory where you have no idea where the market's going to lead you. So if you're ever thinking about, should I take this trade, always consider, is the market testing where it's already been? You've probably heard the term double top, double bottom. I'm not using it in the same way. I'm not looking really at a double top or double bottom. What I'm looking for is the market to test where it's already been, trying to break through that. And so I see that it touched and traded at my target, but it's a little premature. I want to wait. I want to make sure that I actually get filled. I want to show you how the trade works, either a stop or this target, or if it retraces back to my entry, I'll manage it from that point on. So far it's about $600. Profit, $750, $600. So we're in good shape here. Now remember, with the Atlas line, training is included. After you download the software, you're invited to a live training session to make sure that all the rules and you have a clear understanding on how the Atlas line software works for you and for the markets you want to trade. Now it's hitting the target, but I want to see it go through it, which it just did just now. So the target of 7 ticks based on the current conditions broke through. Remember, the lesson that I want you to understand for today is that markets love to test where they have been. Markets are usually not comfortable in areas where they're at extreme highs or extreme lows, or new highs or new lows, because there's an uncertainty that no one knows where the market's going to go. So watch out for these big moves and then a retracement back down as soon as this new high or this new low is made. It's very common in most markets. My name is John Paul. Remember, I have a new mentorship program starting in March. Email me or call me, get all the details, and join me and the rest of the group who have already joined for the next 8 weeks. Thank you.